Hello students, today we will discuss the combined standard deviation. In the last lecture we discussed the coefficient of variation, and today we will discuss the combined standard deviation, and maybe this is the last point of our lessons or chapter. So combined standard deviation, to find the combined standard deviation, first we have to find the combined mean. So the combined means we learned in our previous chapters. X bar c is equal to n1 into x bar 1 plus n2 into x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. It shows the combined mean n1 into x bar 1 plus n2 into x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. It shows the combined mean. Now, combined standard deviation. So, combined standard deviation is equal to root n1 into bracket s1 square plus b1 square plus n2 s square 2 plus d2 square divided by n1 plus n2. So that's a very simple, बहुत ही सिंपल है ये. उसे सिंप्लीफाई कर लो तो n1 into s square 1 plus n2 n1 into b1 square. स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन यानी कि वेरिएंस है ये, और दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द v is equal to difference between the mean और combined mean of a group and the combined mean, दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस है. So first we will see the n1 is equal to number of observation of group A or group 1. So यहाँ टू ग्रुप्स के combined standard deviation फाइंड करने हैं, डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स हैं और तुम्हें combined standard deviation करना हो तो सिंपल है. So n is equal to यहाँ पे number of observation, number of observations in group 1, n2 is equal to number of observations in group 2. So n. Now s square 1 is equal to, or s1 is equal to standard deviation of group 1, standard deviation of group 1. S2 is equal to standard deviation of group 2. Now D is equal to, so that is the difference between the mean and a combined mean. So D1 is equal to x bar 1 समझ लो minus that x bar c, and D2 is equal to x bar 2 minus x bar c. So the difference between the mean of a group and the combined mean. So सभी values means हमें पहले find करनी होगी basic, and then we can find the combined standard deviation. So we'll see the one example of combined standard deviations. So I will prepare the two groups. Group 1. Group 1 and group 2. Okay, let's start. See, in group 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In group 1, the xi is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Or in group 2, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. तो फर्स्ट 10 नेचुरल नंबर्स के डिवाइड कर लिया हमने ऑड एंड इवन नंबर में. यहाँ पे हमारे पास 1, 3, 5, 7 और 9 ऑड नंबर्स हैं और यहाँ पे इवन नंबर्स. नाउ फाइंड द कंबाइंड मीन ऑफ द 10 नेचुरल नंबर्स का कंबाइंड मीन फाइंड करना है. तो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द कंबाइंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन. तो टू फाइंड द कंबाइंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन, फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द combined mean, then we find the individual or a separate standard deviation, and last we find the combined standard deviation. So let's start. we know very well how to find the standard deviation for ungrouped data. To find the x minus x bar or x minus x bar square, that's the square of deviation. So the sum of observation is 9 plus 7, 16 plus 5, 21, 21 plus 4, 25. And here the 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Now x bar 1 is equal to substitution x upon n, 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5, and x bar 2 is equal to substitution x2 divided by n2, x1 divided by n1, x2, so 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Now derivation from mean, so 5, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4, minus 2, 0, then 2 and 4, and 4 4 is 16, 2 2 is 4, 0, 4, 16, so 16 plus 4, 20 plus 20, 40. So s square s1 is equal to, s square 1 we can find easily, s square 1 is equal to summation xi minus x bar square divided by n. So 40 divided by n is equal to 5. The answer is 8. और ओके स्क्वायर करेंगे तो भी मींस उसका सेम टू सेम आंसर आने वाला है. सो x square 1 नाउ x square 2 is equal to, so xi minus x bar and xi minus x bar square. So s square 2 is equal to summation xi minus x bar 2 divided by n, x bar 2 और whole square. Now n2 और that's n1 और 1 consider कर लें. So first we'll find the summation xi minus x bar. So 6 minus 2, that's a minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2 and 4. That is same answer है. ये 16 हो गया, ये 4, ये 0, ये 4 and ये 16. तो आंसर है 40. So 40 divided by 5 and it's a 8. So both the mean difference है पर दोनों का स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन सेम है. क्यों स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन सेम आ रहा है? दोनों के बीच की गैप हम चेक करेंगे तो देखो बीच वेरिएशन हम पे इक्वल प्रोपोर्शन में 2 2 2 2 है. यहाँ भी वेरिएशन कितना है 2 2 मेंशन करना है. सो दोनों के वेरिएशन इक्वल है. वेरिएशन जो है ऑब्जर्वेशन के बीच का सेम है, इसलिए दोनों का वेरिएशन यानी कि स्क्वायर और स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन दोनों सेम है. नाउ we'll find the combined mean x bar c and we'll find the combined standard deviation. So x bar c is equal to n1. Now n1 is equal to, see the n1 is equal to 5. n1 is equal to 5 and x bar 1 is equal to 5. So 5 into 5 plus n2. n2 is equal to 5 into x bar 2 6 divided by n1 plus n2, and 5 plus 5. So 25 plus 30 divided by 10 and is equal to 55 divided by 10 is equal to 5.5. So it's the combined mean 5.5. Now you find the difference. S square 1, we have x square 1, we have n1, and we have to find the d1 square. So first d1 is equal to, or d1 square is equal to x1 minus x bar 1 whole square. So is equal to x1. Sorry, x bar 1 minus x bar c. So x bar 1 is equal to 5. So 5 minus 5.5 whole square is equal to minus 0.5 whole square is equal to 0.25. So d1 square is equal to 0.25. या तो फिर मीन्स d1 is equal to ले लो आंसर. दोनों में मीन्स कोई ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है नहीं. आंसर मीन्स सेम आने वाला है. Now let's d2 square is equal to x bar 2 minus x bar c whole square is equal to 6 minus 5.5 whole square. So 0.5 whole square is equal to 0.25. Now put all the values. Now we have all the values of n1. n1 is equal to number of observation in group 1. So number of observation in group 1 is equal to how many observations? 5. n2 is equal to 5. Now standard deviation of group 1. तो ग्रुप 1 का स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन कितना है? स्क्वायर है हमारे पास, यानी कि s स्क्वायर मींस हमारा वेरिएंस, एंड x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 8, x स्क्वायर 2 इज इक्वल टू 8, एंड d1 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0.25, एंड d2 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0.25. So now put all the values in the formula. So you start from here. The combined standard deviation SC is equal to, see first n1, root n1 is equal to 5 into bracket s square 1. So s square 1 is equal to, we know very well s square 1 is equal to 8 plus 0.25 plus n2 also 5, 8 plus 0.25 divided by 5 plus 5. So is equal to, so 5 into 8.25 plus 5 into 8.25 divided by 10. Now, 8.25 into 5, calculator से तुम कर सकते हो. 8.8, that's a 41.25. That's a 41.25 plus 41.25 divided by 10. 41 82.50 divided by 10. So it's 8.25 is equal to, यहाँ पे खूब इसी में से स्प्लिट कर लिए, बट सेम सिर्फ एडिशन और सब्स्टिट्यूशन था, यहाँ कुछ नहीं है. 8.25 into 5 कर लो, आंसर होगा तुम्हारा 41.25. अगेन 5 into 8.25 मल्टीप्लाई करो, देन आंसर इज 41.25. and 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 41.25 plus 41.25, 82.50 divided by 10, and that's equal to 8.25. Now the root 2.8723, that is the combined standard deviation. So the value of combined standard deviation is, we can write down 2.87, approximately we can write 2.87. That is the value of combined standard deviation. Suppose we find all the values, but some of examples, so the value of s square or s1 is given, x bar 1 is given, all values are given. So that's a very simple to calculate the combined standard deviation. So मैक्सिमम सभी टॉपिक हमारे यहाँ पे क्लियर हो चुके हैं, और कोई ऐसा टिपिकल टॉपिक आई थिंक है नहीं अब. सो विल सी द some useful results in the next lecture, and then we complete our chapters number 4, measure of dispersions. And suppose you have any problems for a short sums, so we'll discuss it in the lectures. We'll check that's a very limited sums, short sums. So if you have any problem in a short sums, you can contact or send the photo of the short sums. I will explain the short sums. So लास्ट टॉपिक्स जो है हमारा विल डिस्कस इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.